Imagine flipping a switch on procrastination. One tiny action ignites a chain reaction of productivity that carries you through your entire day. That's the heart of the viral 2-minute rule. Complete any task under 2 minutes immediately, and watch small wins fuel unstoppable momentum. A year ago, I was buried in endless emails, tabs, and chores. I spent hours planning but never doing. My focus shattered and my energy vanished. Then I committed to the 2-minute rule. Every task under 2 minutes, done immediately. That first micro win lit a fire under me. In 1 week, my inbox was zeroed out, my desk uncluttered, and my confidence soared. That's the power of micro actions. The 2-minute rule says, if it takes 2 minutes or less, do it now. No planning, no delay, just action. This shift, from I'll do it later to I do it now, rewires your brain for instant action. Neuroscience proves it. Small wins activate dopamine centers, rewarding your brain and compelling you forward. And as momentum builds, 2-minute tasks expand into 10, 30, even hours of deep focus. Our brain hates uncertainty. 2-minute tasks eliminate analysis paralysis instantly. Each microtask floods you with dopamine, reinforcing action. Over time, focus circuits strengthen, replacing procrastination with deliberate action. This echoes timeless values: purpose, balance, consistency, the foundations of progress. Small, consistent acts conquer overwhelm and drive growth. Ready for the 4-step system? Let's dive in. Ignore tiny tasks and they pile up. Clutter, guilt, decision fatigue, a mental avalanche. Chronic overwhelm leads to burnout, draining creativity and joy. 2-minute actions refill your focus and energy reserves. Next, we'll break down the exact steps, step by step. First, clarity. Know exactly why each microtask matters. Second, balance. Steady progress without chasing perfection. Third, self-trust. Small wins build confidence and discipline. Fourth, reflection. Celebrate every 2-minute victory. List every task under 2 minutes. Emails, dishes, quick calls, file sorting, no judgment. Flag the highest impact tasks first. Focus on actions that move you forward. Schedule 2-minute slots in your calendar. Set a timer. 0 excuses. Mark each win visually and review daily. This fuels motivation. Extend 2 minutes to 5, 10, then 30. Momentum compounds. Mix mental, physical, and creative microtasks to avoid fatigue. Pitfall: overestimating task time. Keep your estimate under 2 minutes to guarantee completion. Packing too many microtasks. Limit sessions to 3 to 5 tasks. Skipping the review. Reflection cements each micro-habit. Critique: slogans won't cut it. Action always beats empty pep talks. Now pick one tiny task and do it, right now. Momentum starts with action. Comment below. What microtask will you conquer next? I read every reply. Like, subscribe, and share to spark momentum in others. Let's conquer the small stuff together.